What you guys, got another video here for you. The control panel is dead. Microsoft just made it official. A senior Microsoft engineer has confirmed that the company plans to phase out the Windows control panel in favor of the new, more modern settings app in the near future. Mark Rogers made a post on X talking about some of the changes that are coming to Windows 11. He added that File Explorer and the Start menu will also receive a UI overhaul and performance improvements over the next few months, beginning with the April update next week. Now, Mark Rogers on X also mentioned that Microsoft are working on addressing several UI issues across Windows 11. Microsoft are trying to migrate people away from the control panel and get them to use the settings app. This is where all of the settings will be consolidated into one single location, ensuring users will no longer need to switch between control panel and the settings app, which is what I tend to do and what a lot of other people are doing. Mark Rogers went on to say that it's taken a long time to migrate over from control panel to the settings app because the control panel contains many different devices and driver configuration options, and engineers are ensuring that nothing breaks while migrating these settings over to the new settings app. So soon, the control panel will be no more. It's going to be fully migrated over into the main settings app. So when you go and search on your computer, you will not be able to access any of this. It will be gone. And all of the setting panels like mouse, like network printers and other ones like sound will be fully migrated over. You won't get any of these old legacy panels popping up when you click on them. They'll be gone. They'll be all embedded into this new settings app that they're doing right here. They're trying to get you to use this new settings app, but a lot of people are complaining, saying it's quite complicated. You have to do multiple clicks, whereas you used to just do a couple of clicks to get to a particular place. So they bury things deep inside their settings app, and this is one of the big concerns for a lot of people. But Microsoft have said you can expect several changes as part of Microsoft's renewed focus on speed, stability, and performance, including a more coherent UI experience across Windows 11. Following years of complaints from users about bugs, the interface issues, and lag, and the next few updates are expected to deliver much more polished look to Windows 11, improving usability rather than introducing major new features. So they are listening. But the big problem is whether they can migrate all of this over into the settings app without actually breaking the operating system, because they are known for breaking the operating system with botched updates. So hopefully they will test this thoroughly and roll it out to their user base without breaking the system, because if they do start breaking the system, you can rest assured a lot of tech outlets and a lot of YouTube channels are going to be making videos on it to bring it to their attention. Now, some of these changes are expected to roll out this month, including updates to account dialogues with dark mode support, Copilot integration for narrator on all devices, additional options in pen settings for the Pentel button, and also voice typing support for renaming files in File Explorer, and other thoughtful additions aimed at improving the overall user experience in Windows 11. Now, Mark Rogers also reiterated that File Explorer is receiving a major overhaul with improvements to its UI performance and reliability. The Start menu is receiving a similar update featuring a notable performance boost, improving search indexing and bug fixes. Also, Microsoft are going to be modernizing the classic command prompt, incorporating several features from the open source Windows terminal. Now, all this sounds absolutely fantastic for Windows users, but we're just going to have to wait and see whether they are true to their word and whether they can roll all of this out without actually breaking the system, because it does sound like the search area, the Start menu, and File Explorer is key areas of the actual operating system. And if they get this wrong, it can really break the system. And I just hope that doesn't happen. So soon, all of this will be a thing of the past, and you will not be seeing any of this when it's integrated fully into the full systems app. As always, let me know your feedback in the comments section down below, whether you like this idea or whether you think it's going to go terribly wrong or you prefer the old control panel. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all of my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the very next video, or I'll see you on the Discord server. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.